ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zainabara and I am from 6th grade. Today I will be talking about a very tragic event, and my presentation is about World War II. And this is a video on what it looks like. To Switzerland to avoid military service. He gets very big into socialism and becomes an avid socialist to write newspapers for Soviet Unions. He gets a lot of trouble into Swiss police, and he gets arrested. He gets sent back to Italy. He goes back to Switzerland and then again. Then he gets arrested. And he comes back to Italy, becomes a social advocate again. It's 1922. An angry man from Germany by the name of Adolf Hitler was very disappointed because the loss of World War I. He was a very big fan of his country, and he agreed to fight for World War II. When Germany had plans of invading the world, they had very big plans. For example, including invading Poland because he didn't like how Germany was split into two pieces. Then he attacked Denmark and all the other countries. In 1939, Hitler knew he had to strike immediately. He immediately struck Poland, then Denmark, and the other countries. Germany had some enemies and had some allies, and his enemies were the Britain, France, and the USA, and all the other countries. And on the other hand, Germany made some allies. For example, Mexico, Italy, the UK told Germany, "We will give you what you want, but on one catch, you will have to stop invading." I don't know his name, but you will stop crossing. You will not invade the rest of the world. Thank you for listening and for your attention. It's a very good honor on me.
The impact of technology in our daily life. With basic home technology. In our homes, we have many basic technology, such as TV, computer, phone, iPad, tablet, and more devices. Why was technology invented? Let's answer this question. Scientists created technology to fill a void or need or want in our daily life. People need a tool to communicate faster and appear the technology. Technology includes methods or activities that people use to alter their environment. The impact of technology. The technology in our lives is good and bad at the same time. Technology includes methods, activities that people use to alter their environment, and they can help to do lots of things at the same time, such as work, study, clean the house, and can make addictive people. People think that we only have disadvantages of technology, but we also have advantages of technology. We have many advantages, and let's find out those advantages. We have making our lives easy, and also save time, better communication, better learning techniques. And we also have the disadvantages of technology here. We have forget the values, forget family love. Family love is really important because you need your family here to support you. And then we also have make lazy people or teenager, because we shouldn't be lazy with technology. Then we have children cannot live without technology. Technology isn't that important in our lives. And we also have job loss. You need your job to make money, to help your family. How to use technology. Technology is an amazing tool in our lives, and people have to know how to use it. Some people don't know how to use it. Technology includes so much stuff, and we have to know how to use it. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I really appreciate it.